honestly a little bit frustrated with the outcome of the meet. I didn't think the girls did a good job, overall about containing their energy. But some real bright spots too. I mean, we're finally starting to hit beam. I think we'll be in good shape once we start getting people back. But we just have to be patient. We're a very young team, a lot of new kids. We're making some rookie mistakes, and I think we'll continue to get better.
I think we did a lot better energy-wise. We came together as a team, had a lot of fun, and we really worked on, being in our bubble and just focusing on ourselves, and I think we accomplished that this meet.
It was a lot of fun. It was a lot different because pretty much everyone other than your parents are rooting for the other team. Overall, our energy was way up there, like everyone's having the time of their lives. It's my first time up on beam, so I was very nervous, and it was taking forever for the person before me to go on floor and then for me to go, but overall I think I did very well.